Every creator knows they need a free lead magnet to grow their email list. But here's the harsh truth. If your freebie looks like a cheap, cluttered Word document, potential customers will assume your paying products are too. Today, I'm showing you how to generate a premium, high-ticket digital product library in minutes. I'm inside Venngage, and this is what I'd call the ultimate growth kit for content creators. Everything you need to create high-quality visual content, lead magnets, PDFs, guides, it's all inside one dashboard. And instead of juggling multiple tools, everything is centralized here. Now, here's the big value part if you're building a content business. You can start creating your entire freebie library today. And if you check the description and use the code 50 off now, you can get 50% off an annual premium or business plan. So what I'm going to do now is walk you through a simple workflow to create what I call a subscriber magnet, something that actually converts viewers into email subscribers. This is where Venngage solves a massive problem for creators. There's something called the PDF gap. Most creators know they need lead magnets, but things like checklists, guides, or cheat sheets. But actually creating them is where people get stuck, because normally designing something that looks premium takes hours, or you have to hire a designer. So what happens? People procrastinate, and that slows down the most important part of your business, building your email list. Venngage removes that completely. It allows you to create high quality agency level PDFs at the speed of thought. So instead of a basic checklist, you can create something that looks like a $97 product, and that instantly builds authority with your audience. Let's start with a quick win freebie. I'm using the one-pager generator to create a cheat sheet. And the prompt I'm using is high fidelity cheat sheet for daily stoic habits. Include a 5-step morning routine, a what to avoid section, and a call to action for my newsletter. Style, minimalistic, aesthetic, and premium. And then all I do is just click generate. And just like that, it builds a complete visually structured resource. This isn't just text, it's formatted, styled, and designed in a way people actually want to save and use. This is exactly the kind of asset that converts viewers into subscribers. Now, let's take it a step further with a deeper guide. I'm opening the brochure generator, and my prompt is a 3-fold digital brochure serving as a starter guide for real estate investing. Break down the 3 main strategies, common myths, and next steps section. Tone, educational, expert, and trustworthy. And then I just go ahead and click generate. It's handling a full multi-panel brochure layout automatically. You can see how structured and organized this looks. This is something that would normally take hours to design manually, but here it's done in seconds. Now, let's refine this so it actually looks professional and converts. I've got both assets in one dashboard, which makes editing really fast. I'll apply a clean, consistent brand style. This keeps everything aligned and gives a cohesive look across all your content. Now, as you can see, my template is basically covered across the 3 pages, which is perfect. Now I'm selecting a section and using AI to improve it. I'll prompt, make this more intriguing and benefit driven. This strengthens the messaging so it's not just informative, it actually converts. And right there, you can see that it has done exactly that. It's updated the text to be more intriguing and benefit focused for me. So now I'm in the icon generator, and I'm just going to ask it to make a simple checkmark icon. So there is my icon. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to duplicate it, and I'm going to ask it to make it into a light bulb icon for me. Now for a pro level step, I'm going to File and then Accessibility. The accessibility checker ensures that the design is readable for everyone, checking contrast, font size, and clarity. This might seem small, but it builds trust. It shows your audience that you care about quality and user experience from the very first interaction, and that's what separates average content from professional content. So, as you've seen, you can generate a premium one-pager checklist and a high-end educational brochure in a single afternoon, completely removing the usual design bottleneck. And when you launch your new lead magnets, don't forget to tag at Venngage videos at social media so they can see what you've created. Stop letting amateur looking PDFs hurt your email conversions. Check the description for the links for these tools and use code 50OFF to get 50% off your annual plan today.